Well, he didn't get the equaliser at Bournemouth at the weekend, Surridge, so Stevie Cooper will be hoping himself and Brennan Johnson. I think the team tells a story that every competition at this football club is important.
Marcus Rashford gets a little bit of fortune, and Rashford takes full advantage and scores for the 9th time in the last 10 games.
You've got Worrell and Freuler here. You cannot allow him to get through. That's too easy. That's way too easy. Amazing how that happens. But as I said, boy, has he found it again.
Here's Anthony, and he'll have a try, and it wasn't so very far away. Hennessy's upright.
For the goal from Marcus Rashford, and here it's one-on-one. Just drops the shoulder inside, so really easy.
Gibbs White. Surridge to the left, it is Sam Surridge! It's 1-1!
Danilo with a simple ball forward when United were attacking, but you talk about leaving yourself open when you've got the ball. Just Gibbs White was in so much space. It's a tight one. It's a great finish. Inches.
Michael Oliver confirms the worst suspicions of the Nottingham Forest fans. Congestion zone of a 6-yard box. Scarpa!
Yeah, I think the one thing that helped De Gea there certainly was the fact, because he takes it on the side foot, he's going for precision, and therefore it's got less pace on it. It's a great effort, don't get me wrong.
Scarpa. Pace of Brennan Johnson causing problems.
Was that just me? But was he outpaced there, Wan-Bissaka? Hey, look. I'm not seeing that. I know Johnson quick, but...
Ericsson. Anthony. Mesmeric. And Hennessy off his line very quickly.
Terrific play this from United. Anthony starts it, picks it up, little give and go, third man running. Keeper does brilliantly. You see the keepers these days, they come out, they make themselves as big as possible, as wide as possible. When United had it, they were building up. Forest had pushed 4 players on, but it did mean the big switchy play was on, but United just didn't find it.
Casemiro. Anthony, and the follow-up from Weghorst doubles Manchester United's lead right on the cusp of half-time.
Casemiro just moving forward here. Half-hearted challenge this to Gibbs White, not particularly good. He's had a good first half, but that's just too easy. Good strike from Anthony. There's Weghorst, as you'd expect, following up, but a lot of red shirts forward, John. Not a lot of them back, I'm afraid. Decent enough save, not a lot you can do about it. And that's a composed finish from the big Dutchman.
Aurier. Danilo.
Picking up a couple of second balls quite high up the field here, and some scraps, but...
Roberto Martinez. A watching brief. Ericsson! Goalkeeper was rooted. Casemiro. Rashford finding Anthony, back to Rashford. Comfortable height for Hennessy. Nottingham Forest win it back.
Well, we need a bit more of that, don't we? And I'm not talking about the finish, I'm talking about the work rate, the tenacity, the ability to win it back. And not for the first time tonight, Casemiro's had the ball ripped away from his possession.
And then exclusive coverage of the final from Wembley Stadium in northwest London on February the 26th. Little nibble there by Police Street.
Yeah, just needs to calm down a little bit. Gave the ball away there, actually. That's what got Forest into this position. He's picked it up. He's rashly made a challenge. It was close. Michael was in a good position. Close to being in the box. The challenge happens about a yard outside, just there. But it was extremely close.
Police Street. And Williams did pretty well. Bruno Fernandes! That does it. A 3-goal away win for Manchester United should make the home leg of this semi-final a formality.
Watch this for a beautiful little ball. Threads it through the eye of the needle, and then he backs it up. As Elanga flicks it out to him once he's coming on to it. That's it. Technique. Absolutely brilliant. Knee over the ball, head down, make sure you hit the target. Good challenge there by Williams, actually. But yeah, this is extremely professional. Bearing in mind they've had quite a few debacles before Ten Hag came in. They had a poor start to the season. This is a very, very professional and comfortable performance from Manchester United. And apart from the weekend where they came undone late at Arsenal, their momentum continues.